Hello and welcome to the Counterman Education Center. Today we're going to talk about a very familiar subject with Eric, quick struts or loaded struts. Eric, they've become very popular over the years for a lot of different reasons, but from the technician's perspective, I'm sure it's even better. But tell us a little bit from a technician standpoint, why you like a loaded strut or a quick strut.
Well, Scott, great topic. And there's a couple of different reasons. From a technician standpoint, you can look at it for ease of service. Typically, in the past, when you had to replace a strut or a shock absorber, you had to remove it from the vehicle, use a spring compressor to take the spring off, disassemble the strut, replace the shock absorber, put everything back together. A lot of work and a lot of time involved. And a dangerous process too, with all the pressure on the coil spring. Quick struts eliminate that, so they save you a lot of time. It's much safer to install a quick strut onto a vehicle, but also from a dependability and a quality standpoint, the problem with just rebuilding a strut or replacing a single component of it is if one thing is worn out, everything else is probably worn out too. So with a quick strut, you get the new shock absorber, you get all the insulators, the coil spring, the turn bearings on top, mount bushings, everything together, a complete refresh of the suspension front or rear, and send the customer down the road with a high quality repair.
And there's nothing more frustrating for the parts department or for the technician than somebody coming back with a repeat repair because they didn't buy the additional parts. And when they buy the loaded strut, like you said, they get everything all the way from the top bearing strut all the way down to the bottom. And the other thing is, it's economically usually a better trip for the customer, and that will help you sell both sides of the car because, as you and I both know, we only want to replace the fronts together and the rears together because, like you said, everything wears at the same time.
Absolutely.
Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.